Welcome to VoiceNation. I'd like to walk you through the online setup process. The first section of the activation form asks you to fill out your basic company information, including your company name, address, and type of business. If your business type is not listed, please select the Other option. The company name you fill in here will be used on the next section for the answer phrase. Using the company name you entered above, we provide you multiple options for you to choose how you want us to greet your callers. Our system will automatically insert your company name for our live operators to answer your calls accordingly. Next, you'll need to choose how we respond to any of your callers if they ask us who they are speaking to. Choose whether you want us to represent you as your receptionist or your answering service. The hours of operation do not reflect when your live answering service with VoiceNation will be active. Rather, this is just a part of your company information and your own business hours. The live answering service we are providing you is a 24/7 service. We just want to have your own business hours available to our operators so we can most accurately represent your company. In the next section, you will be able to choose whether the company information and hours of operation you have listed should be public or private. If you choose public, you are authorizing us to give this information out to your callers if they ask for it. If you choose private, we will notate your account so our operators will not give this information out to your callers if asked. If you choose the private option, this will complete the first section and you will continue to the next step. If you choose the public option, you can fill out your company information that you would like our operators to give out to your callers when they ask. Then, proceed to the next step of the activation process. The call handling section is where you will tell us all the different situations and types of calls that we should expect to get for you. Select as many situations that will apply and click to go to the next page, where you will then be able to provide us with specific details on each situation. Most situations that you choose will be handled the same way 24/7. This will mean that you will leave the time-sensitive option set to no. If you need the calls handled differently depending on the time of day, choose the yes option here. You will be able to create a custom schedule for our operators to follow your instructions. An example of a commonly used time situation would be this. Pretend your office hours are 8 to 5 Monday through Friday, and those are the only times you want your calls transferred through to you. At all other times, after hours and on the weekends, you just want us to take a message for you. Using this example, we'll show you how to create this type of time-sensitive situation. Click on the Yes option to select Time-Sensitive Call Handling Instructions. This will display an After Hours tab. Here is where you will need to specify that you just want a message taken after hours rather than transfer calls to you. So, you would select the Take a Message option, then choose how you want the message delivered. Then select from your list of employees who you want the message to go to. Lastly, select what information you want the operator to gather from the caller on each message we take. Next, you will need to set up the daily tabs for your transfer times from Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. To add the daily entries, click the Add button, and you will be able to specify the times and instructions for transferred calls on this day. Please note that you will need to create an entry for each day of the week that you want your calls transferred to you. So, in our example, you will need to create 5 entries, one for each day of the week, Monday through Friday. Once you have completed this page for all of your situations, you will see a summary page of your configurations where you can confirm and submit your settings. If you need to make any changes, just click the previous page option to go back, or once you are ready to go live, just click the Submit button and your account will be live and ready to take calls.